What haircut do you like?
Jimin.
Who?
Jimin hair.
Jimin's haircut?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Jimin's of BTS?
Yeah.
Okay. What did you do today?
Good.
You went to school?
Yeah.
Wow. With teacher Evelyn?
Yeah. He's a red.
Oh, she went to work? Oh. Don't move, huh? You like cookies?
Yeah. Papa Lola.
Where's Lola?
In my house. He
Oh.
loves his cookies.
Oh, she likes cookies?
Yeah.
You wanna bring some for Lola?
How about
And Lolo?
Lola don't like cookies?
Oh, he doesn't like cookies?
Yeah, he likes fish.
He likes fish?
Yeah.
How about Kuya Ryan?
You want him?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does he like cookies?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you gonna bring some for Kuya?
Yeah.
How about adding Robin?
Robin doesn't like cookies. He really ate food.
Oh, you already ate food? Okay, look down. How about who else? Who else, baby?
I don't know.
Oh, Auntie Giselle?
Yeah.
She went to school. How about Ate Gwen? Look down.
Yeah.
Does she like cookies?
Yeah. Baby, no.
Which one?
He likes boba.
Oh. Chichi?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna remove it with a towel, okay?
The hair is on my neck.
It's in your neck too?
Yeah.
Okay, look up, look up. Okay, no more.
There's more in here.
No, I went to your shoes now.
What?
We'll remove it
And my
later.
socks.
And your socks too. We're gonna clean it later, okay? Kai, what's your birthday gift for me?
This is a surprise gift.
A what?
This is a surprise.
It's a surprise?
Yeah.
Wow, what is it?
It's a shoe.
It's shoes?
Yeah, a new one.
A new one?
Yeah.
Who bought it?
My mom.
Your mom?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Are you serious? Oh, booking si mama mo. Mom, your mom bought me shoes?
Yeah, your new one.
Oh. Where is it? At home?
Yeah.
Okay, cut down. What's What's Lola doing?
Doing something.
Just home?
Yeah.
Okay.
Getting my haircut.
Getting a Jimin's haircut. Whoa. Dadam. Yan. Let's put down, okay? What's wrong? What's it that? What's it that? Yan. Where's Robin? Went to school? Ay, home?
Yeah.
Are you sleepy?
No.
No.
I'm not touching my hair.
This one? It's just a hair clip.
Is it like an oil car?
Yeah.
Are you scared of big?
Huh?
Are you scared of big?
Am I scared of what?
Big.
What's that?
It's a big oil car.
Oh, no, I'm not scared. Are you?
Not me.
You're scared?
No.
Okay, good boy.
I'm not
You're a
scared.
brave boy?
Yeah. It's happy rain.
Oh yeah?
It's happy rain.
What's your favorite toy now?
Lemon had toy.
Huh?
Lemon had toy.
What's that?
Give me a fairy bag. And we
Oh.
can Nino.
What? It goes like that?
Yeah, it sounds like that.
Makes sounds?
Yeah.